I know that we had a couple years that were super tough, and we're still having some residual effects of that. And so developmentally, our kids have become a little bit more internal, where I'm not really recognizing how I impact others. And that loss of community is a big problem for us in most of our schools, is our kids are just not looking beyond themselves. And so we can talk about empathy, we can talk about kindness, we can talk about all these social emotional learning things that we have in our curriculums. But like I've said before, there isn't a worksheet in the world that you're going to fill out on kindness that you're going to walk out and all of a sudden be kind because you did that chapter. So this is something that we have to turn the whole tier 1 concept of demonstrating and living it with kids so they begin to see it versus being told about it. So what is my action and how is it affecting other people?